Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 8601 that arrived. This thing's only been here, I don't know, an hour or something like that. And just want to show you a really simple way to repair that missing front. I've cut the front off of a 490, of course. And you can just epoxy it directly on this shell, get it lined up, and you would never know that it was actually broken. It fits quite well, as you see. So that part is repaired. Now it has a broken pilot. So what I'm going to do is just saw this pilot off and replace it with this one. And I sawed this one off a 490. So I'll just saw this one off, epoxy that in place, get it all lined up and fitted, and you have a repaired locomotive. Now remember, this is all done with junk. You know, an old 490 shell that was broken, and literally just sawed the front of it off with a hacksaw. And then dressed the back down on a grinder so it's nice and flat. And as you see, it will fit this boiler virtually like it was made for it, as you can tell. Hard to do all this holding this camera. Anyway, the point being, a couple of drops of epoxy and you've solved the problem of the missing front of the locomotive. I mean, you can't run this thing around the rail with a big gaping hole in it. And the nice thing about this, of course, is it gives it a finished effect. And you would never know that it was ever damaged. And it looks like original equipment. Anyway, so I'll saw the pilot off and just transplant a 490 pilot on. Just as you see, it's not going to take a whole lot to make that fit. So a bit of judicious shaping, some epoxy, and you'll have a fairly decent running locomotive for 12 bucks. Remember, I bought this thing for the motor. Well, I've already got that stud repaired that had broken off, so I can go ahead and mount this thing back on the motor. And I'll probably get this fitted in place and do a video of this thing running. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.